Cline AI. Today we are going to review Cline AI. So let's get started. Cline AI is AI coding assistant particularly for VS Code that acts as autonomous agent to handle complex multi-file coding tasks. It excels at understanding project context, breaking down tasks, and showing planned actions for developer approval before execution. It has some strengths which are autonomous and multi-file feature. Client can work independently on complex tasks, making changes across multiple files and showing developers a different view of approval. It understands project structure, dependency, and documentation to produce more relevant code aligning with architectural context and convention. It also integrates with VS Code, breaks down complex problems into manageable steps, and offers features like terminal command execution and automated browser interaction, which make it developer friendly. It also provides flexibility and transparency as it supports multiple LLMs and self-hosted setups, making it customizable and allowing developers to control cost and maintain privacy. It is practical and reliable. Reviews describe it as reliable teammate, especially for web stacks that balances autonomous work with respecting user review and control. It also has some weaknesses as it is not perfect. It is not flawless and requires developer oversight. Users have reported it can sometimes get stuck or guess at solution without enough information, making it helpful to add debug statements to guide it. Having too many files open versus code can negatively affect its performance and ability to understand the correct intentions. As a more advanced engine, it may be helpful to start with small tasks to build trust and familiarize yourself with its capability before tackling more complex projects. Now, who can use it? Professional developers can use them who want to automate complex multi-file coding tasks. Its open core foundation and support for self-hosted models appeal to teams concerned about data privacy and customization. So, it can be used as control and transparency. Users who want a more autonomous agents can use it to do things for me and let me review experience. And that's all. That's how you will be able to know about Cline AI. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.